If you're a driver in the United States, you've probably felt it. Your car insurance bill just keeps climbing higher and higher every single year. But what if I told you there are still a few states where drivers are paying hundreds, even thousands of dollars less than the national average? Today, we're counting down the top 5 U.S. states with the cheapest car insurance in 2025. We've dug into fresh data, crunched the numbers on average premiums, and looked at the real-world factors that keep costs low. You'll want to watch until the end, because your zip code might just surprise you. Before we dive in, let's set the baseline. According to the latest industry data, the average annual car insurance premium in the U.S. for 2025 is sitting at a hefty $2,150. That's nearly a 15% jump from just 2 years ago. But not every driver is paying that much. Some states benefit from lower accident rates, fewer natural disasters, cheaper repairs, and friendlier insurance laws. That special combination can save residents a small fortune. So, let's hit the road and see where Americans are saving the most. Coming in at number 5 is Idaho. Known for its stunning open highways and low population density, Idaho drivers enjoy remarkably low claim frequencies. With average annual premiums hovering around $1,290, it's one of those rare places where safe driving actually pays off in a big way. Insurance experts point to a simple formula for Idaho's success: fewer collisions, fewer lawsuits, and cheaper body shop labor. In many of the state's rural counties, drivers report getting rates that are 30 to 40% below the national average. So, if you're tired of those high city-based premiums, Idaho quietly proves that wide-open spaces can mean wide-open savings. Sliding into the number 4 spot is Maine. This beautiful coastal state often flies under the radar, but its drivers enjoy some of the most affordable insurance in all of New England. The average premium here, roughly $1,160 per year. That's almost $1,000 less than nearby states like Massachusetts. So, why is it so low? Maine enforces strict licensing rules and has one of the lowest uninsured driver rates in the entire nation, sitting at just around 5%. That translates to fewer unpaid claims, fewer legal battles, and smaller risk pools for insurance companies to cover. In short, Maine rewards responsibility, and that keeps everyone's costs down. Our number 3 state is Wisconsin. The Badger State perfectly mixes that calm Midwestern vibe with a solid driving record. The average premium here is about $1,140 per year, which breaks down to roughly $95 a month. What's the secret sauce? Wisconsin has high competition among local insurers, and it also has relatively modest medical and legal claim costs. Add in a strong network of local credit unions offering member-based discounts, and you get a landscape where drivers have real bargaining power. Wisconsin is proof that when insurers have to compete fairly, the customer always wins. Next up, number 2 on our list, Ohio. For years, Ohio has been a quiet champion of low car insurance costs, and 2025 is no different. And now, topping our list as the cheapest state for car insurance in 2025 is Vermont. With an average premium of just $1,020 per year, the Green Mountain State takes the crown. The reason is a powerful trifecta: a small population, minimal traffic congestion, and one of the highest insured driver ratios nationwide. Fewer traffic jams and a cooperative insurance market keep costs consistently low. On top of that, many residents bundle their auto insurance with home or renter's policies, earning extra discounts that stack up really quickly. Vermont drivers might not have the flashiest cars, but they certainly have some of the smartest premiums. Before we wrap up, a few honorable mentions are in order. North Dakota, Iowa, and Utah all have average premiums under $200. Their combination of open space, safe roads, and fewer weather-related claims makes them excellent contenders for affordable coverage this year. So, what do all these states have in common? Fewer accidents, strong state regulations, lower medical and legal claim costs, and a culture that values safe, responsible driving. But remember, while where you live matters, how you drive still matters more. Even in the cheapest states, reckless driving or poor credit history can send your premiums skyrocketing. To save money, always compare quotes from at least 3 different insurers, maintain a clean driving record, and ask about telematics or safe driver discounts. Because whether you're in Vermont or Texas, smart choices can shrink your bill faster than any zip code. If this video helped you understand where car insurance is cheapest in 2025, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's tired of rising premiums. Stay tuned, because next time, we're revealing why some states are seeing record-high insurance hikes this year, and what you can do to protect your wallet. Thanks for watching.